Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we can install the VirtualBox and as well as how we can install Kali Linux operating system in VirtualBox. So let's get started. First of all, go to the VirtualBox. Go for the VirtualBox download. If you are using Mac OS, then uh, type the VirtualBox download for Mac. Here I am using a Mac OS operating system, so I will go for the Mac OS. If you are using Windows OS, then tap for the Windows host, but if you are using Mac OS operating system, then download Mac OS. I've already downloaded. And for the Kali Linux, type Kali Linux ISO download. Kali Linux ISO file is same for Windows OS and Mac OS, so don't worry about it. Just download this file from here. ओके सो हमारी काली लिनक्स के ISO फाइल डाउनलोड हो चुकी है ओके so now here we will go into the VirtualBox and create new operating system. Give the name like Kali 24 something. Okay, so here select the folder where you want to install your operating system. I make the default one. Select the ISO file. Okay, it is selected by default, so go to the next. Give the memory. I will give 4 things. Okay, give the CPU. Okay, go to the next. Make sure disk size जितनी हो सके उतनी ज़्यादा दो. After the creating operating system, you cannot able to change the disk size, so finish. Okay, tap on the start. Graphic install. English. Select your location. India. Select your language. Keyboard. Configure in the keyboard. Okay. Maybe it will take some time. Depend on your processor. Wait for some minutes. While installing Kali Linux, if you encounter any error, so please comment down कर देना. Like I will make a separate video on that. Set default domain name Kali, user account, so I'm giving my name here. Select name. Remember your password, because you will not be able to change your password after the install Kali. Guided user interface. Okay. All file in one separation partitions. Finish. If you continue the changes later below will be updated the release, otherwise you will be able to make the yes. This will take like too much time, so I'm skipping this part. बेस सिस्टम इंस्टॉल हो जाने के बाद आपको ये पूछेगी कि कौन से आपको सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करना है. सो आई एम गो विद द डिफ़ॉल्ट. ओके. सो इसमें भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, सो आई एम ऑल्सो स्किपिंग दिस पार्ट एज वेल. ओके गाइस, सो फाइनली सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉलेशन खत्म हो गया है. इट वाज टेक अराउंड 30 minutes. सो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन योर सिस्टम प्रोसेसर. आपका सिस्टम प्रोसेसर अच्छा होगा तो लाइक 15 और 20 मिनट्स में भी हो जाएगा. सो या इंस्टॉल द ग्रुप ऑफ group loader. So yeah, we will select the device here. Okay, installing the group bootloader. So may it take some time. Yeah, our installation will be finished in some minute. So tap continue. Finish the installation. Yeah, reboot हो रहा है. Okay. Okay. Type your username and password. Username is Avash and password is Shaposh. Okay. Yeah, you can see that हमने यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुली काली लिनक्स इंस्टॉल कर लिया है वर्चुअल बॉक्स में. सो stay tuned guys. We will see in the next video how we can install the Windows operating system in VirtualBox. So make sure like, share, and subscribe. And stay happy and stay healthy. Bye bye.